Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. This video I'm going to show you how I made this vase. I don't know what kind of wood it is. I found it out in the woods, but it's quite pretty, I think, inside. And I originally had a split crack all the way down the side, and it went about halfway through, I thought, but I filled it with resin, which was supposed to be an orange, but you can't even see parts of the resin right here. You can see a little bit of color, but it's more yellow, like here on top, because when I first put it in the pressure pot, you'll see that when I took it out, all the resin had drained down in there and there were still holes in the top. So I poured a lot more in there thinking that it was going to drain eventually, but it didn't. Left about, obviously, this much on the top, and I just left it there because I thought it'd be a pretty rim to the top there. It was supposed to be orange, but it turned out more yellow, which I think is okay because it seems to match the wood a little better than orange would anyway. Orange. Stick around and I'll show you how I made that one. Oh no, I'm gonna have to make more. Somebody's having fun. So this is after my second pour. The first one, when I got it out, all the resin had drained down inside. Hopefully it's in the middle too, not just here this crack and spread out. Alright, well, I've had to fill some of the holes, the bug holes, with CA, so I'm going to let that sit overnight. Plus my battery in my camera is about to die, but give a chance for all these bugs to crawl out. They're still crawling out. I'm sure they're drunk by now, but give them a little bit of a buzz, a little fun. So anyway, check back in the morning. Bug crawling on my finger. See that little guy? I'm going to try some sand and sealer on this to see if it'll help at all. Alright, well, this is after several coats of sanding sealer, and I'm quite surprised and happy at how it's turning out so far. The wood's a lot prettier than I expected, but apparently I wasted a lot of resin trying to fill that crack in that pretty much went the whole length, and I think that's all that's left of it. And I did use orange colored resin. There's some CA that I had to use, it's clear, but so let's do some shine juice and see how it goes. Have to say I like it. Alright, well, I'm gonna sand this to shape it because I don't trust this using the tools as far as being steady. And drilling it warmed this up quite a bit, and dulled the shine, so I'm going to have to redo that too. But it's all minor. Hopefully last coat of OB shine juice. So I'm going to paint the bottom of this with some epoxy because I wasn't able to get it very well with the shine juice or anything, just because of the way I had to mount it. I didn't trust it.